Welcome to another XRP analysis. Today we're going to talk about XRP on the daily time frame. We are currently bearish. Yeah, bearish. As much as it sucks to say, on the daily time frame we're going down. And here's the reason why. As we see here to the left, we have bears dominating the bulls. And as the bulls recovered at 1.65 AOI, they claimed some of the liquidity up here. However, there are still bears lurking. And as we see price balancing itself out at 2.04 and 2.14, we can see that bears are clearly loading in positions. Here are some AOIs that we had that I shared to the community that we would be looking at price to do this drop. We had 2.11, a strong bearish pressure here, and 2.9 where bears could start accumulating. As you can see, price came to these areas and wicked all the way down. Can it go back up? Yes, 100%. There is one key level that if price breaks, then I definitely will change my bias from a pullback on the daily to a continuation on the daily. And that price point is around 2.16, 2.17. If we break 2.16 and close above, then we have full certainty that there is a high probability of a bias shift on the daily. However, currently right now, we see bears offloading some positions and may continue this drop to the downside, but that's okay because that's why we always look at multiple time frames. But for the daily analysis, this is what we have. We had two good AOIs to sell. Price came and engaged in these AOIs, causing this bearish break. And we have the sell wall at 2.16 that is holding these bears for them to hold their position to the downside. So to recap, until 2.16 gets broken, I'm still bearish. I do believe price is going to continue to go down to our weekly levels. And that concludes our XRP analysis.